viewers, welcome to Aksha Vlogs and Crafts. Today we are going to see about Polla Pillayar temple, which is in the main temple, which is Soundarayeswarar temple. This place is in Tirunarayur, Kadalur district, and it is Tamil Nadu. Let's see about this temple and how this name came for this Pillayar. This Polla Pillayar is Lord Vinayagar is a Swayambhu Murti in the temple. Nambiyanda Nambi, who collected and saved the sacred Thevaram hymns from pest and edited them while young, was watching his father offering Nivedanas to Polla Pillayar Vinayagar. He wanted to know whether the Lord would accept only the Nivedana offered by his father and not his. The time came for Nambi to take charge of the priesthood of the temple. He offered Nivedana to Pillayar and insisted him to consume the offer. But Pillayar was silent, and Nambi began to weep. He dashed his head at the feet of Vinayagar and cried. Pleased with his bhakti, Vinayagar accepted the Nivedana of Nambi and consumed it. King Rajaraja Cholan did not believe this miracle and came with different Nivedana and asked Nambi to offer it to Lord Vinayagar. Pillayar was smiling silently. Nambi sang the Irattai Mani Malai hymns with a touching prayer. Polla Pillayar ate the Nivedana in the presence of all. The indebtedness to Nambi by the Saivite devotees is endless, as we would have lost the treasure of our Devaram Bhakti literature to pest but for the painstaking efforts of Nambi. The idol of Nambi and King Rajaraja Cholan also are in the temple. Tirunarayur is situated at the distance of about 8 kilometers from Kattumannar Kovil on the Kattumannar Kovil to Chidambaram route near Kumarachi. It is about 18 kilometers from Chidambaram. The story of this miracle spread all across the nation. When King Rajaraja Cholan came to know about this miracle, he refused to believe it and decided to come to this place. The king, with some offerings, and asked Nambi to offer it to Pillayar. Initially, the Lord did not take the offering. Nambi became worried and rendered his hymn, which later came to be known as Irattai Mani Malai. Pleased with his hymn, Vinayagar consumed the offering in presence of the gathering, which included the king. The king then bowed before the child and requested him to seek information about the whereabouts of the Devara hymns. On Nambi's request, Polla Pillayar, by the way of divine voice, said that the hymns were kept in a room in the Chidambaram Nadaraja temple. The divine voice also informed him that on the door there would be a symbol of hand. Hence, this Vinayagar is also praised as Tirumurai Kaatiya Vinayagar, the Lord who revealed the Tirumurais. The Lord further disclosed to Nambi the number of hymns rendered by each of the three saints. Thiruஞான Sambandar, 16,000 padigams, Tirunavukkarasar, 4,900 padigams, and Sundarar, 3,800 padigams. The king took Nambi to Thillai Nadaraja temple at Chidambaram in search of the hymns written on the palm leaves. They found it in the room, but most of them had been destroyed by termites. Though the local Dikshitas from Chidambaram temple opposed this mission, the king intervened and helped Nambi procure these scripts and complete his task of compiling and arranging them. The king also assigned a few scholars to assist Nambi. However, what could be recovered later was not even 10% of the total padigams. The number of padigams that were recovered are Thiruஞான Sambandar, 383 padigams, Tirunavukkarasar, 313 padigams, and Sundarar, 100 padigams only. Nambi was saddened by the loss of so many padigams. At the time, the divine voice was heard stating that whatever was essential has been recovered and instructed everyone to be content with it. Nambi's Irattai Mani Malai hymn, available in the 11th Tirumurai, is considered very auspicious. It is sung before the Polla Pillayar here at every Sangadahara Chaturthi festival. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.